Elon Musk's SpaceX is preparing for the third test flight of the Starship rocket from its Starbase test site in Boca Chica, Texas. This flight is highly anticipated as it aims to showcase new technologies and procedures crucial for upcoming moon and beyond missions. The upcoming launch is the rocket's third and most ambitious test flight. It is expected to demonstrate the rocket's capability of controlled re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, ending with the Indian Ocean. SpaceX plans to achieve several goals, including opening and closing the payload door, activating one of Starship's Raptor engines while in orbit, and moving propellant between two of Starship's tanks. The launch is scheduled for 8:30 a.m. ET, with live coverage available on SpaceX's website. The success of this test flight could pave the way for upcoming satellite deployment missions and NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon. NASA has already selected Starship for the future Artemis 3 mission, scheduled to launch in 2026. The test flight holds the promise of significant advancements in space exploration, but also carries the weight of previous setbacks. The world will be watching as SpaceX pushes the boundaries of space technology once again.